All right, today you're coming with us as we travel on the road. Where are we going? From where to where?
We're currently in Miami and we're heading
Miami, Florida. Sounded Italian.
That did. Vin's really bad at accents. We're headed to Satellite Beach, Orlando area.
So like a 3-4 hour drive. Do you need me to unlock the car?
Yeah.
Would that be helpful?
I just smashed the Girl Scout cookies.
You smashed the Girl Scout cookies? I'm going through the back door. Okay.
That was a nice butt shot. This is our keychain. It's my favorite. It's Meryl Streep with some LaCroix, so that's there for you guys. Ben, what do you think of this camper van?
I think that camper van is a fake. I'm sure it's very nice inside, but they didn't build that. Someone else did, some factory. For real though, I think the name, I saw the name on the side of that. Pleasure Way. Like, what the? I mean,
Clearly, we are not fans of fabricated.
Prefabricated camper vans.
Yeah.
No, thank you. All right, travel update here. It is 81 degrees. We are on, Mel, what road are we on?
We're on 95.
We're on 95. If you missed the beginning of the video, we're going from Miami to Satellite Beach, correct?
Correct.
It's partly cloudy with blue skies. I'm going 57 miles an hour. And Mallory's gonna go grab me a drink in the back. Kids, don't try this at home. Can you grab me a drink?
You have one right there.
Gone. Please, I can't do it while I'm driving. Oh, thank you.
That's for both of us.
We're making a quick exit, a pit stop at Trader Joe's, because when there's a Trader Joe's,
You make a pit stop.
you make a pit stop. Cool car, dude. We are strong advocates, or I am a strong advocate of backing into our spots if time allows.
Just perfect.
All right, go. Dinner, a little bit for dinner.
Don't worry, I came prepared with my Florida Trader Joe's bag.
We need we killed our cactus plant, so we need another cactus. And then, what was the other thing?
Girl Scout cookies.
No, we already have growth cookies. What was the other thing? I don't remember. All right, one of the 3 things we needed was the cactus, and they don't have that, so
Probably just get cupcakes instead.
we'll get cupcakes. All right, we did pretty well. Car, watch out. We didn't get our cactus, but Mallory found oatmeal.
Yep.
So, got
Same
dinner, rose water, and oatmeal.
There's our poor little cactus. It froze in the winter. Forgot to bring him inside.
It's a shriveled cactus. Can we just throw it away now? No, of course not. You get the fun behind the scenes of putting away groceries. Yay! Wow, such an eventful stop we just made. Back on the road to Satellite Beach.
You did not put these back right. They're stale.
Maybe they were stale when I got them. Oh, they are stale. Dang it! All right, another pit stop. This one's more exciting than Trader Joe's. We're going to the beach. Woo! We decided we were probably going to get to our destination a little too early, so why not stop at the beach? Because we can, because we live in a van. Yellow light, yellow light. So now we begin the joyous task of finding beach parking. Let's go! Alright, where are we at?
Juno?
Juno, near West Palm. What do we think of this beach, Mel? Gorgeous!
Gorgeous.
It's kind of windy, if I'm being honest. Oh, look at that kite. Alright, but for real, obviously one of the huge benefits of van life is you can kind of just change plans like that. Sand in my eye, and go to a beach.
This may sound like an obvious, but the perks of having your house and vehicle wrapped up into one are, yeah, because we changed plans last minute, we had everything we needed, bathing suit, sunscreen, all right there, and we're able to do stuff like that.
Towels, a cold beer, if you're into that. And yeah, we'll be here for a few hours and then continue on our venture up the coast of Florida. If you're still here with us, thank you. See you later. Ready to go?
Well, we are back on the road. The beach was just splendid, and we have about an hour and 45 left in our trip, but probably will need to stop for the bathroom at some point in there. Ben and I spent our time at the beach just reading, honestly, and basking in the sun. Ben is reading the last Harry Potter book, Deathly Hallows.
Deathly Hallows.
Deathly Hallows.
Alohomora.
I am reading Conviction. Just started it. I'm only 30 pages in. It seems super spooky, so excited for that.
Super spooky. Super spooky. This is Mallory's weird snack. If you can't tell what that is, it's seaweed. It's like I'm licking the bottom of the ocean.
He likes it.
Bathroom break. So I'd say at this point we're pretty used to disgusting restrooms. What would you rate that one?
Probably like a 4.
Yeah. Mine was about a 4 or 5 too. A lot of toilet paper on the ground.
Mine there was like a drain in the floor, and the cap was off the drain, so you could just see down into the abyss.
There was an empty coffee mug on the top of the toilet.
Oh, mine also had some poop stains in the toilet bowl.
I flushed mine with my foot because I wasn't going to touch that. I actually didn't wash my hands in there because I felt like I would have gotten dirtier. Not sure if that logic holds up. All right, back on the road. is about the part of the drive where Mallory gets sleepy. She falls asleep on me. It's pretty much like clockwork. The sun starts hitting her just right, and she leans her chair back, and out she goes. Alright, we're getting close now, and I think we're gonna sleep at a Cracker Barrel for the night. If you don't know, Cracker Barrel is a place to eat, but also a great place to sleep at night. They welcome you and your van and RVs. They actually have parking in the back. They have a little sign that says van and RV parking, something like that. We love a good Cracker Barrel for their pancakes and also for their parking lots. Parking lots and pancakes. Thank you, Cracker Barrel. There's a beautiful Chick-fil-A. Wow. That is a pretty Chick-fil-A. That is a southern Chick-fil-A. So yes, that's where we're staying tonight, but Mallory just informed me she's stinky. And so we're going to go take showers first, because no one wants that.
He's stinky too.
Well, maybe. So we are headed to Planet Fitness to take our showers, because we do not have
Shower in a van.
one of those in the back of our van. A video all about how we stay clean in the van right here. You're welcome. So I think we're just a few miles out to our lovely Planet Fitness. Are you gonna work out? You don't look like it. We've been sitting all day. Just sluggish humans.
We walked to the beach from our van.
I think we're gonna head to Planet Fitness, then work out, then a Cracker Barrel.
And shower.
Shower after the workout. Good call. Just waiting at a stoplight. Mal, what are you doing? So informational. Where is our Planet Fitness? You always pull into these shopping centers and you have to find it. Not Rose's. Not Leslie's. Speed bump. And there she blows.
So we're going into the gym. Here's what we normally bring in our bags. Always bring shower shoes because gross if you don't use them.
Yuck.
A towel. We usually use our quick dry towels, but they're all dirty right now. Clean clothes, shampoo, conditioner, loofah, of course, and that's about it.
I just started using one of these because I'm a pretty trusting person, but not at a public gym locker. So, okay, let's go. Sorry, we're not going to video inside Planet Fitness because we don't want to be those people videoing inside of Planet Fitness. How'd it go? Are you clean?
Clean. That was honestly probably the worst as far as cleanliness.
What? Mine was fine.
Mine was gross. And
Ew, girls, gross.
I also walked in on a girl changing. She was like pretty much
Nice.
clothed, but.
All right, so that's usually how Planet Fitness goes. We go in, grab a shower, come out clean, ready to snuggle up in bed. We are 13 minutes away from Cracker Barrel, and we'll check back with you then. The night's almost over, friends. And here's our home for the night. Thank you, Cracker Barrel. We appreciate you. You're parking in your pancakes. Looks like we have one other fellow van lifer. Good night, sleep tight. And, whoops, put it in park. We're home.
Yay.
All right, Mallory's getting hungry. Mallory's getting hungry, so we're gonna wrap this up. Sadly, you don't get to stay with us throughout dinner.
We're having pasta, chicken, and salad, so nothing too
I
exciting.
mean, that's kind of exciting. Thanks for hanging out. If you're still here, you're our favorite subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, do us a huge favor.
Subscribe.
That simple.
Oh, baby, that shirt stinks.
What? Okay. Oh, it does. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with us for an entire day in our van life. All right. We need to go. See you later.